what's up, everybody? It is Taikina Beauty, your girl, your beauty guru. I'm here with a hair tutorial. Oh, wow. So you're gonna need those following things, starting off by moisturizing my hair. I noticed when I shampooed and conditioned my hair is really dry right now. I think I'm gonna stop using that product. I'm kind of sad because I like it. It's Pacifica. I use both the shampoo and the deep cleansing conditioner. Oh, that's probably why my hair got really dry. Maybe I shouldn't use them together. We'll try. We'll try something different next time. But I'm going in with the Iyoba. This is like their oil spray. I love Iyoba. They're very expensive, but I do think they make really nice quality products. Now we're gonna spray the hair because once we start combing, we need this hair to be wet. Curly hair likes to be wet. Do not brush your curly hair while dry. It will turn into an afro unless you're achieving that look. So we're doing a half up down look. So I am going to use a rat tail comb to evenly part my hair. You can not use a rat tail comb, but your part won't be even. And I used to not do this in the past due to laziness, but we're going to use a rat tail comb for the sake of this video and for my hair to look cute. Now we're going to just put up the up half. Make sure you get the desired amount you want. And then we're going to start at the bottom. I think working at the bottom just makes more sense. Bless me. Now we're going in with rice water spray. We're going to do with the water. I'm not too crazy about the way rice water smells. It smells very dirty, like dirty hair. So I do like to use other products that smell naturally good to like defunk out that funk. Now we're gonna be parting the hair in half because I have a lot of hair, fortunately. And we're gonna take that rice water and just put it there. Then we're going in with my Iyoba leave-in cream conditioner. This has shea butter in it. I love products that have shea butter in it. I find shea butter to be a key ingredient that really moisturizes my hair. I have a mixture of 3C and 4A hair. I know a lot of people are going to fight me on this, but my hair gets a lot of shrinkage, and I notice if I had fully 3C hair or even 3B, my hair would not shrink up as much, and I have parts of my hair that are coily. You may not see it, but in the back you can see the coils a little bit. But I do have a mixture. So I have to moisturize my hair a lot because it gets dry a lot. And how I found out I was mixed with 4A is because I was actually looking for curly hair extensions, and I kept typing in 3C thinking I was only 3C. And my boyfriend actually pointed out to me when I was wearing curly extensions, he was like, hey, why does your hair not match that? And I was just like, what are you talking about? And I realized the curls were too loose, whereas mine's were tighter compared to the actual 3C. So I had to get 4A, and they fit me perfectly. Like, you can't even tell when I wear my extensions now. I haven't been wearing them lately. You guys haven't seen them in my videos, but in some of my Instagram pictures, they've been there. But now we're gonna start detangling. I need a new brush. If my curly hair girls, my natural girls, please, what brush do you use to detangle your hair? I tear up every one. The bristles are coming out of this one. I bought one from iHerb that was a bamboo one. That one probably has like 5 bristles left. I just need a new brush. I don't like the wet hair brush. I think that's more so catered to white girl hair. So do not I'm not gonna try the wet hair brush. I've tried it before and I broke the bristles in that. I need a really good brush that will not break on me. I'm using a Conair brush right now, and the Conair brush, its bristles are breaking too, and I notice it snags at my hair and kind of doesn't detangle it. So be careful if you guys do have a Conair brush, because I notice it will make more tangles. It's weird. Do you guys see how long my hair would be if I didn't have shrinkage? Shrinkage is wrong. And I just refuse to use, there's like a method you guys can use to stop the shrinkage. I don't like doing twist outs because I feel like that defeats the purpose of wearing my own curl pattern. I know that sounds crazy, but I just don't. And twist outs are just a lot of work. I just don't feel like braiding my hair every night or twisting my hair every night just to have longer hair and just to wear a curl pattern that generally isn't mine, I guess. I don't know. I just don't want to do that because I do like my curls. I just wish they were longer. I think every curl pattern, whether you have 3A, which is kind of wavy, well, 2A is wavy, to 4C is so pretty. You just have to know how to manage it. And I do feel like the more you go down into the 4 patterns, you do have to do more work to it. And my hair is a lot to work. Curly hair is a lot to work in general, but moisturizing it and taking care of it and knowing what works is just a lot of work. So like, power to the girls who have to do so much work, because it's a lot and it's not easy. But I'm brushing out the hair now. Oh my gosh. See, that's where I'm talking about, where it like tangles your hair. It's crazy. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time. Look how long my hair would be. Like, this is not fair. So now we're just gonna keep detangling. Yeah, I could tell this conditioner and shampoo dried my hair out, because you can see the frizzies, and that usually doesn't happen. So I'm just like, I mean, my hair is frizzy, but when I just washed it, it doesn't look automatically frizzy. So that's where I kind of went wrong, but that's okay. We learn. This is all a process, you guys, so that's okay. We're all in this together. For a person that doesn't know how to sing, I sure do like to sing. Somebody stop her. So we're just gonna keep detangling until we get it right. I know this may sound weird, but sometimes I don't like to comb all the way up to my roots of my hair just to give me a little bit more hang time. That's a little hack I do, but I do make sure I put like product in it. Now we're done with that part, and we're gonna start working on the front. We're gonna part the front part to make the 2 braids in the front. I really like the way this looks. I think it looks very cute and futuristic. I don't know, just very different. I like it. So we're gonna part this. We're gonna make sure this is straight, because I love a straight part. It just looks very clean and professionally done. Like, I went to get it done, but I didn't. It was just me. And we're gonna put that up part back up so we don't get it mixed up. Then we're gonna put oil on this. I love this oil. I raved about it so much. This is one of my favorite organic brands for hair, skin, and nails. I use their toothpaste. I use their body wash. I've used their conditioner before, but I'm not on it right now. But that's the Desert Essence oil. I've talked about this before. It's a coffee bean oil. You can use that for your face and for your hair, and it smells so good. Every time I wear it in my hair, I get so many compliments because it just smells amazing. It smells like a coffee bean coffee. It's so good. Now we're gonna braid this hair up. I didn't put product on the 2 front parts I'm gonna braid, because when you braid your hair with black hair in general, or kinky coarse hair in general, when you're braiding, it does not like too much product on it, or else the braid will not stay. So I noticed this is just like with braiding in general. So I don't put anything in my hair except for oil when I am braiding my hair, and this works. It doesn't look crazy. Braids, the more drier and rougher the hair is, the better for the braid to stay, and I do know that works in my favor. Look at that part. It looks so good. So now we're going in with the other section. I'm loving how the part looks. It looks so clean and good. So I put oil on now, and then we're gonna braid this again. Braid this as tight as you can. So as you're braiding, hold really tight. Don't make sure it's not loose, because the looser it is, it just doesn't look that great. I'm gonna learn how to braid, y'all. Like, I'm gonna do it, and when I do, I'm gonna give you all these types of braiding videos. I know how to braid. Like, I just perfected my French braid. I just don't know how to cornrow feet in. Like, somebody teach me, please, because I would do it every day, all day. So now we're gonna braid that. And what I like about this method, because I'm not putting anything in my hair, you don't need a rubber band. It will stay. You don't have to put product at the end. It will stay, you guys, I promise. Just make sure you braid it very tightly. Remember, when you're braiding, just hold that braid tight and pull. I'm so proud of myself. This is like growth. I hope you guys know, like, I think this is like my signature staple, my half up, half down hairstyle. I've worn this ever since I was a little kid. Like, when my mom would do my hair, I'd be like, Mom, do my hair half up, half down. Like, for pictures, she would like straighten my hair as like a little special occasion, and I would get the half up, half down, and I would actually have like the curls, two little curls, hot curls in the front. So now we're gonna put some more rice water and spray at the roots. Rice water is supposed to make your hair grow. I've just started using this about a month ago, so we will see. My hair has been growing, so I'm not gonna say that is the reason why. I just think I've been taking really good care of my hair. But let's see if this does really work. It's supposed to be really quick. So now we're gonna take I call this a man's brush. My boyfriend uses this. This is not his brush, but I noticed they use it for their waves, so I just call it the man's brush. I get it at the beauty supply store. I use that to lay my hair down. And I brush my baby hairs down with my hair. I always done this when I was younger. My sister, she's like the baby hair queen. Her baby hairs are always popping. She actually uses a toothbrush. I can't get into that. But I mean, I slowly have been using those types of tools. But I did go in with the Uhai. I do not like this. I'm just trying to get rid of it. It's a edge control for my ponytail to slick it down. It'll work like in the first hour, and then it'll be gone and it won't hold down. So I just don't get the purpose of it. It just doesn't have that staying power. It's really weird. I don't recommend it. I was sad because it's a black owned brand and I wanted to try it, but it was not giving. Oh my gosh, hold on. Sorry, one of my face oils was like leaking. I was like, what is that? About to start a fire. Now we're gonna put that ponytail up because it's ready. I like to tie my hair tie 3 times. These are the best hair ties I've ever had. I've got them at a beauty supply store and I have yet to find them. So when I lose them all, I'm gonna be beeped, because like no other hair tie will hold my hair like these will without breaking. I have yet to break these hair ties. I cannot use a regular goodie hair tie. It will pop and within the second time I use it. I'm on the hunt for them. I'm trying to get these for me and my sister and my mom for Christmas. My mom has very thick hair. Her hair is not like mine, but it's very thick and pretty. So now we're gonna detangle the ponytail half. I like doing this because it just is easier on me. And if you were to detangle all of your hair while it was down, it would start to frizz up as you're trying to put it in the half up, half down. So it's just better if you part it and then go from there. Now we're gonna, put some water on and detangle. Remember, whenever you're detangling your curly hair or combing it in general, please make sure it's wet, or else you will not get the desired look you want unless you want that afro puff. I used a mixture of Iyoba and this brand called African, I think, Pride from iHerb. They have Shea butter in theirs. I love Shea butter infused leave-in conditioners. They're just so good to my hair. My hair loves Shea butter. And my skin. Now we're going to take a small piece of my hair from the ponytail and just wrap it around. I like using this method because it makes my ponytail look better and cute, and I think it actually shapes my ponytail well as well. I just like the way it looks. And then I secure it with a bobby pin, and it's just fine for the rest of the day. It looks really good. I like that. Now we're going to take more rice water. Then we're going in with this chia seed gel. I got this from iHerb. I don't think I'll ever buy this again. I don't know if this is because my hair was really dry, but I didn't like the way the gel felt to my hair this time around. I like the smell of it. It kind of has like a not sweet smell, but kind of like perfumey smell, but it's natural. But it's like musky, I guess. Not musty, musky. So now we're going to put the gel in the hair. So this is always the steps I use when you're combing your curly hair. I recommend it. I put in the oil, then I put in the water, spritzy oil sprays, then I put in the leave-in conditioners, then I put in the gel to seal the deal, and it really does seal in all of that moisture into your curls. I think this does aid in my hair growth as well. Curly hair, I think in gel, that's like a power duo combination. That's something that's like very, very, very necessary in your curly hair routine. It's coming together beautifully. I'm so happy with this look. This is what I've been wearing ever since like the summertime. So I've been dabbling into this. Now we're going in with that Ecoslay applesauce edge control. I literally just brush my baby hairs down. I don't do any technique. I clearly I need a technique, but I just brush them down. I have like kind of long baby hairs, kind of not. But yeah, I'm liking it. It looks good. Yeah, I like the way it looks. So there we have it. That was a really easy up down, half up, half down with 2 braids hair tutorial. I did this in under 20 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, Daisies. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.